Hey everyone, this is my model Megan, and I'm gonna show you guys how to get this really beachy textured wave. Her hair is obviously super gorgeous, long blonde. Her hair strand is pretty fine, so definitely just going through and alternating between two different methods. Since her hair is so fine with a wide tooth comb, I just start at the bottom and work really, really soft around the ends. I wanna make sure that I'm not losing too much texture with it.